Okay, you've set an intention, and now you're wondering, when is it going to happen? When is that new car going to show up? When is that extra money going to pop into my wallet? When is that relationship going to take hold? You're wondering. There are signs, secret signs that you need to look for. I'm going to share with you 7 signs that manifestation is coming your way. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big beautiful eagle, and we're flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Want to remind you to visit Miracles While You Sleep. Miracles While You Sleep, why not? You go to sleep, you wake up, there's a miracle. Well, maybe not that fast, but it will impact your subconscious mind. And when your subconscious mind is working in alignment with your dreams and goals, the only thing left to happen is a miracle. Money, love, happiness, health, miracles while you sleep.com. High flyers, the first sign, my favorite sign. By the way, I'm going to share with you a secret sign. I mean, a super secret sign at the end of this video. But my favorite sign to see, I love seeing 1111. Oh yeah, I get excited. I run over to Rachel, look at 1111. When I see 1111, I know good energy is now flowing into my life. It's a new beginning. In the ancient Kabbalah, there are 4 worlds of manifestation. And this says that there is a new beginning in every world, which leads to manifestation in your physical reality. So I think it's a positive sign. I think it's a transformational sign. But more importantly, I believe it's a sign you need to look out for. When you see 1111, something is changing for the better in your life. High flyers, sign number 2 is that thoughts seem to manifest faster than ever before. You have a thought and then it manifests. Like right now, I wish I had a genie lamp. And that's just about how fast it works. When you're having thoughts all the time and these thoughts are just popping into your head from seemingly nowhere. Actually, they're coming from your subconscious mind, which is connected to the infinite field of potential, the universe. But when these thoughts are coming into your mind, it's huge. They can be little thoughts like, gee, I'd sure like to have a parking spot up front. Boom. Somebody pulls out just as you pull in. That kind of stuff happens all the time. By the way, high flyers, that genie lamp there is a replica from the movie Aladdin, and it was a limited edition, and I'm just so excited to have it. I saw it at Disneyland. It was on a pedestal, and I said, I need to have that lamp. And it's just been a blessing to have that lamp in my life. Number 3, music. I love when I get these signs of music in my life. You're driving down the road, maybe you're flipping by XM radio or whatever, satellite radio, and you hear a song and you start listening to it. And there are those lyrics. And you listen to the lyrics, and the lyrics apply to your life situation. It either reminds you of something that is happening right now, or it reminds you of something that happened in the past. The music is speaking to you. The universe, the God force energy of the universe is speaking to you through music. So pay attention. This happened to me once, walking through a store. And I was thinking about Rachel. This is before we were together. True story, Rachel. Walking through the store, and all of a sudden, a song comes on the speaker system. Now, I don't normally listen to the music in a store, but this song came on and it just, I don't know what it was. It just hit me. It was by Randy Travis. I know the song. I can't remember the title, but it just hit me and it made me feel like I was connected to Rachel. I mean, just powerfully at that moment. And I was. That's how music is an incredible sign that manifestation is coming into your life. So next is telepathy. You just are communicating with someone else. Or, this is going to sound a little weird, it's going to sound a little crazy, but I believe it's true. You're communicating with yourself in the future. And yourself in the future is saying, look, Robert, why are you worrying? Why are you slowing down the process? You're going to get here. Look at it. I'm already here. So it's communicating with someone else, mind to mind, or it's communicating with yourself in the future. If you start, you can just be sitting there watching television, and all of a sudden you go, wow, I'm just feeling like I need to call Jim right now. And you call Jim and he says, I was just ready to call you. I have something to tell you. That's a sign that something big is happening in your life, that the manifestation that you're working on is coming your way, because energy is now flowing more freely, both on a conscious level and a subconscious level. High flyers, number 5 is that you notice what you desire everywhere. You all of a sudden become hyper aware of whatever it is you desire. You start seeing couples holding hands if you desire a relationship. Or maybe you see limousines if it's a new car or some wealth. Or maybe you see pictures of big, beautiful homes and you go, wow, that's exactly what I desire. You see more of that, and that's the universe preparing you. You can't just walk in cold. The universe always prepares you for what it's about to give you. Signs of manifestation, and sign number 6 is dreams. So I love dreams. I'm a Pisces. I'm a triple Pisces. I got fish swimming in every direction. And I will say this, that I love to dream. And dreams, they don't necessarily foretell the future, but they tell you what kind of vibrational energy you are in. So one of the things I suggest people do is have a dream diary sitting next to their bed. And if you wake up in the middle of the night and you go, oh, wow, I had a dream, write down like one word that will help you remember that dream. But then look at your dreams and see if you're dreaming more of whatever it is that you desire to manifest. And if you notice that's beginning to happen more and more and more, that's a sign that whatever it is you desire, money, love, happiness, health, is manifesting in your life. Well, high flyers, I told you I had a special one, but first I got to give you number 7. Then I got a special one that I didn't even put on the list that is absolutely huge. Number 7 is synchronicities. So things just begin to happen. People call at the right time. I was just getting ready to call you. Now you could say, well, that's telepathy, and it may be, but there's also some synchronicity there. You're showing up at the right time. I have a friend, and he's driving 30 miles out of town. He pulls into a gas station, and there, 30 miles away from his home, is a woman that he's been trying to date for 2 years. And they start talking. What are you doing out here? I'm doing this. And they get talking, and pretty soon they're dating. Do you see how it works? synchronicities are huge signs that big things are manifesting in your life. Now, here it is. Write this one down. If you wake up at 3 a.m. in the morning, between 3 a.m. and 4 a.m., during that hour, repeat your intentions to yourself. Especially if you wake up and you look at the clock and it says 3, 3, 3. Before you go back to sleep, you better repeat your intentions, because that's a massive sign that whatever you desire is about to manifest big in your life. Okay, I'm excited for you, because I know if you've got just 2 or 3 of these signs, something big is happening in your life. Now, here's some other videos to help you on your journey.